From the reports we are getting from them, they are actually giving us reports that all the money, the 250 million per parish so far released, has been disbursed. They are well aware of the challenges which are disturbing the program, but now we are at stabilization stage, so we are dealing with those issues. We are dealing with the wrong characters. I have always argued that the issue of wrong people did not start yesterday. It started in 1659 when Thomas Hobbes argued that human beings are already selfish and they want to turn everything to their benefit. But he argued that the state or government, we should be there to check those few characters. So I'm happy that all of us know now where the problem is. If it's a parish chief, I already gave an instruction that once they are found to have mismanaging any process in PDM, they should be one prosecuted and removed from job. Circle leaders should be removed and be replaced. So we are really on top of things. We know the challenges at hand, and we are ready to meet heads of departments of the districts to tell them government policy, answer their questions, and listen also to their issues. So this time around, we call the district planners and the district auditors. And these are part of the strong departments out of the 14 which are helping service delivery under decentralization. In addition, now taking them through the policy position of government now and listening to them, we have completed the process of handing over to them laptops. As I talk now, each district planner has a laptop so that he can be or she can be able to do his or her work, and also each district internal auditor has a laptop. This is part of the provisions of Article 176(2)(e), which provides that appropriate measures shall be done to enable local government units to execute mandates under their jurisdiction. So our job is to train them, give them policy information, give them laptops, give them skills so that they can be able to deliver this country to the desired social economic transformation again. Normally, budget depends on the available source envelope, but I should mention that since we started the program, the provisions have been increasing. They have been increasing now, as you saw in the presentation. We have been ourselves as a ministry been able to be facilitated to physically go down to the district and confirm where challenges are and fix them. Because for us, the beauty with local government ministry is that we don't pick information, take it to somebody else. For us, we get information and we fix the problem together with other actors because we are responsible.